Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace a burnt out incandescent light bulb with the base on our Christmas tree. But before we begin, I wanted to talk about a couple of different things. First, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. Second, this might be a different process on different Christmas trees. So please refer to the instructions for your Christmas tree for all of the specifics. And third, make sure that you buy the correct light bulb with base for your Christmas tree. Okay, before you remove the burnt out incandescent light bulb with base, first you need to unplug the Christmas tree. I'm going to unplug our Christmas tree now. Okay, here is one of the burnt out light bulbs on our Christmas tree. And when you handle these, you want to be really careful and really gentle. So I'm going to show you on this side of the light fixture right here is a clip. And I'm just going to gently lift up on that clip, and that will free the base and the light bulb from the light fixture. So I'm just gently lifting up on the clip like so. And now I can gently lift up on the base, and the base should come out with the light bulb. So I'm just doing that now. And there we go. Okay, here is the box for the new incandescent light bulbs with bases that I bought for our Christmas tree. I bought a 60-pack. And here is one of the new incandescent light bulbs with base. And here is the old incandescent light bulb with base that is burnt out. And here is a closer look at one of the new incandescent light bulbs with base. There are two wires that come out of the bottom of the base. One of the wires goes up one side of the base, and the other wire goes up the other side of the base. Make sure that these wires are properly positioned, and make sure that the wires do not cross or touch. Okay, some things before we install the new incandescent light bulb with base. You want to make sure that the Christmas tree or anything else does not get caught up in the light fixture or where the clip goes or where the new incandescent light bulb with base goes. You also want to make sure that the new incandescent light bulb with base gets installed securely and properly, and that the clip that goes from the base into the side of the light fixture gets installed properly and securely. And you want to make sure that you install the new incandescent light bulb with base carefully and gently. Okay, so I'm lining up the clip from the new incandescent light bulb with the base where it will line up on the light fixture. And then I'm just gently putting the new incandescent light bulb with base carefully and gently into the light fixture. And you want to make sure that it's secured all the way into place. And then I'm just making sure that it's seated all the way down into place. And then I'm going to gently clip the base into the side of the light fixture. And I'm just making sure that the clip is secured all the way into place. Okay, and now I'm going to plug the Christmas tree back in, and when you do this, you want to make sure that the electrical plug is plugged in correctly and securely into an electrical outlet. Alright guys, and now we can see that the new incandescent light bulb with base that I installed into the light fixture on our Christmas tree is working well. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.